The French omelette. A deceptively simple preparation that combines technique and heat control with a bit of knife skills for garnish. The French omelette, when done correctly, should have absolutely no browning on the surface and should be soft and pillowy in the center while still thoroughly cooked. Today, I'll be breaking down just how easy it is to make this French classic. Let's begin. We'll start by finely slicing some chives, and this will be used as our garnish. This isn't a must, but it's definitely a nice to have. Slicing chives is one of those skills that cooks spend their whole lives perfecting. And this here is what we want, equally sized without any bruising whatsoever. Now for our French omelette, we're going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl and use a fork to mix. We don't want to use a whisk as that would incorporate too much air into the eggs. Next, place a non-stick pan on high heat. Throw in a few knobs of butter and let that melt. Then, bring your heat to the lowest setting and pour in your eggs. We'll now continuously mix until our eggs slowly set. And every so often, we'll tilt the pan or even use our spatula to fill in the empty spots with any egg that's still runny. I'll then push the corners in, season with salt, and then let the egg slightly set. Once I could feel that underneath has fully set, I'll begin folding my egg like so. As you can see, the low heat combined with the fat from the butter has kept our eggs from browning, which is a big no-no when it comes to the French omelette. And your egg at this point should feel somewhat malleable. This is pretty much done, so I'll remove from the heat and flip onto a plate. I'll then use a tea towel to correct its shape even further. And there's our beautiful French omelette. Chef's trick is to rub another knob of butter over top, and this will help your chives to stick. We'll cut right in, and the interior should be fluffy but still thoroughly cooked. Enjoy!